Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about these absolutely cute male wrap diapers for dogs. So these do come in all different kind of sizes depending how big your dog is. I like the fact that these have a little fashion pattern on them as well. You have one that looks like denim and one that looks like camo. I like the fact as well, so these are very breathable, comfortable, soft. They are 30% wider, so they are gonna hold about 3 times the amount of liquid that normal male wrap diapers do. And it also has a nice grip so that it's not gonna fall off. You're able to go to work all day if you have to and not worry about your dog being uncomfortable or having any accident or it falling off. These are fantastic. I've been using them for a while and I'm very impressed. My dog even likes putting them on, so I know that they're comfortable and he's not gonna fight me on it. And you have no headaches about any messes in your house, which is the best part about it. And they're really cute, but that's just my point of view.